With options, we got 6 million just playing around here. Hello TD, this is my color. This one. Black is beautiful. Terrible with scratches and keeping it clean, but she is beautiful when she's clean, huh? I was going to add to that line, but I'm keeping it friendly.
Look at this big.
Yes, sir.
482 cruising around in this thing.
Oh, where did the other one? Just joining us here. Where? Chase. Hello, Chase. Chase just decided to join, but the black one is the one. So we're doing a nice little formation lap, ladies and gentlemen. Also putting air through the radiators and keeping the engines cool. As you can see, they've been performing throughout the routine, so they do a thing called cool down laps. Oh, Tik Tok account's blowing up here, brother. Blowing up.
So, Vic, now you've seen a little bit of sliding, but how are you going to see sliding now in 4 cars?
Get those Tik Tok bars up. Get those Tik Tok bars up.
Looks like my car's gone out of traction control, but I'm letting all the guys go around and enjoy a little bit.
I was going to head on to that when you finish. What's up, Baba? Yeah. So listen. We are transparent people. We do not lie. We saw that.
Perfectly, absolute precision.
The one and only I'm a Sam, I'm a new BK, 100% G2, straight into the kitchen, baby, roll back. Just listen up the sound of that. Straight through the bridge on the stage.
Ahí va, bueno.
I'm a pretty buster, baby. I'm a pretty buster. I said we taking no prisoners out. From corner to corner, ladies and gentlemen, he is a force that dominates any pitch that he performs on. Deep into the roadback, baby. Deep into the roadback. The one and only Sam Sam. From Tux, brother.
I know. This is
the legendary Sam. Round of applause. As you can see, Sam has a Red Bull livery on his E30 box shape. It is a listen to that 6-cylinder thing. Crazy flip for days. Getting up close and personal. A round of applause out here. Listen to those musical notes performed by the 6-cylinder. What's up? Round of applause! All my K-Town people in my house, not always. Elsie's reviews, it's just park where we at. Ripping from Bloemfontein, 19 years young. My people from the Bloemfontein area code, I want to use Nose control perfect line. Ladies, I told you we're gonna throw it down for ya. Smoking up those brand new tires at the rear end of the E30. Roll back